Welcome back to our channel. This is Safe Driving Ghana, and we are here to educate you again on how to use the road safely. We are currently at Tetegu on the Kasamalam Highway, and we've come across the newly built footbridge. Usually when you get to where there are footbridges, there's one with the stairs and there's one with a gentle slope, which is usually used by older people and people who have disabilities. So if you are using a wheelchair or you can't walk properly, you can use this side. But this side is for everyone. If you feel you can use this side, you can also use this side. We are currently here to have a discussion with the locals here to see how effective people are using this footbridge.
Footbridge in here, credit and then you cry. One amount for Kabi, Bikra or bar on shed. Now, what she have funny power walk, mine one. But I see a footbridge in the bar, and the man who say, aha, I have fine power. My house will develop a camera. Obey me, Kabia, how. Oh, she said, the old chap came and I said, don't until Bocos and I open the my idea say, or much me a day footbridge about the Gua. Yeah, that's my idea.
Yeah, that's the empty. Say footbridge na bano. Ama car a bought in Crofono Swati. Yeah, but almost so more rushy. Say more chakra mono so a Swati. A Swati. I'm more to 4 more cross and I didn't know a Swati. Come on, a Swati. But say, so me who say, Yamajina and me who say in Crofono store, person store mucha, quite no person be footbridge. What are some of the reasons I heard into no more
say areas no we all see nipa ebi mu pe kwantia ebi mu so pre say on be pre answer wo wan brand so na unya e fa so bia ni so na because of sa car be ball ni ade nti na ye sa de we it is aye we na say wo still a wo twa kwan mu na say car ball a enye obi a na aye wa na wa ye. What I say? Ebia na also no shebra o de na mo wiase no say ya de a ebe ma wo ebe save wo ebe protect wo kra ebe bo o ho ban na say wo say wo pɛ no na still a wo be say twemu dia na say wa eti we no de e ma ban no worry say omo twemu na ka abo na yeti a ebe hwe ne say aye kofa no ka no be fa no so sa because main road eti ni aye we say yem fa so e so so on fa so na so ono a be twakwa na ka abo ne de ono na say.
Okay, but that's 18. How many times now Osha car bought in Crawford
Oh, so far no. Omunyam bia no dear, but yeah, say yeah fast because the person sa incident the BBC be able yeah, yes, I'm out for pass, but in repair no be bia no am be ni ama can you have ha who chap mukra na say dia bibi kra ko ba obetumi aye de ewu kama ba isi ano tempera almost fast that but almost starting so almost fast no biansi boni biansi
okay into say osha den na aban betumi asan ya man crofo intra kwan ni mu ase ho e be for say say omunyi so footbridge
yeah best na aban ni say barrier also on my barricade a quantity fee net no more to quantity fee no yes that by say on franco nanim on my amount to us send a bear I want to mention our own income abm no mefa footbridge this so and the say baby on my year do no want to us kakra my na a quantity close and they want to be go twem ho no o be fa we so.
Okay, so you are currently on the footbridge, right? And we saw you using the footbridge. So I'd like to know why you chose to use the footbridge instead of crossing the main road.
We choose the footbridge because we don't want crossing the road is too risky. So that's why we choose the footbridge. We don't want to get those, accidents and things. That's why we use the footbridge.
Okay, thank you, Innocent. How about you?
It's the same to her, the same to him. Because of accidents, that's why we choose to walk on the footbridge.
Okay, so I want to know that, did you decide to use the footbridge yourselves or your parents instructed you to use the footbridge?
Mostly it's the parents who are advising us to use the footbridge. Like me like this, I would like to cross it, but because of they are the ones who are afraid of us, that's why they want us to pass on the footbridge. You should use the footbridge mostly. That's why we use the footbridge.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So how about you, Richmond?
It's our teachers. Our teachers has been the one advising us so that we can be safety. Yeah.
If I'm stick beats from Tetegu, me a producer. But me, the more you know, every time. The more you know, every time. Mountain, yes, we overhead way. Say, on my overhead now, be truck in a car bond there, and yeah, a bang them. Why would Jimmy and I, sir? Made a make a true no. Every say, Nepadi and ya punching. Yeah, we a punching a king, a chain so. Now, Nepal, yes, I had the king chain, so open said the king chain so. I bind the police soldier for Baba, no the king chain so. Into the Omoyan there, yes, some for quine we are in Bra for so far. And Gokla for so far. They tell them we are more traquine. And yet, they make a children say, dear, on for overhead. That's all.
But some people feel lazy to walk on the footbridge. So instead of them walking, they just cross the road and get knocked down by the car. I will encourage Ghanaians to rather walk on the footbridge because on the footbridge, no car or anything will come and like just give you an accident. Yeah. So I will encourage my fellow students and also mommies and daddies at home to encourage them to walk on the footbridge.
Some people feel lazy when they are walking on the footbridge because of the staircase. Some people they feel tired when they are walking on it, and the slopey side, that one too is too long to go and pass on it, then come and walk it. So some people just want to pass straight here. When they are walking, see it's straight. They just cross and they just go. So they feel easy, and they can even take their time to wait for the cars to stop and cross, just like what some people are doing here. They just cross. But this one, you climb and climb. When you get there, you'll be tired, and you have to get down again. So some people prefer this one than this. That's why some people don't use the footbridge, but they use the road. They should use the safe route because while using the easier route, it's a street, it's a road, it's a main road. Cars pass on it. Car can just run over someone and just kill the person anytime. But while using here, no cars, no motor, so it's safe for them to pass here. So here with their life is safe, but here it is maybe dangerous for them. So it's not safe for them to use this place, but it's safe for them to use this place.
Yeah, I think we need to use the footbridge because when the footbridge was not around, people were struggling to cross there because assuming you want to go to work early and you are supposed to reach there at 6. So if you come and stand here, the cars, everyone is in a hurry to go to his or a job. So you might stand here for almost an hour and it will delay your time. So I encourage everyone to use the footbridge. No matter how it is, you reach your destination. So that's what I can encourage everyone to do, just to use the footbridge.
So as he rightly said, whether using the footbridge is a longer route, so use it because regardless of how long it is, you still get to your destination. It's better to get to your destination late than not to get there at all. So wherever there's a footbridge and then you decide to cross the road and fail to use the footbridge, it is an offense which is punishable by law. So as I said earlier, it is punishable by law and you can either go to jail, you can be jailed for 7 days or be fined for 5 penalty units. It's either these two or you also lose your life. Let's be wise and let's be safe. We would like to plead with the government to extend the mesh which will entirely block the area to prevent pedestrians from crossing the road, which will in turn force them to use the footbridge. Thank you.